Hi, I'm Stephen Pierce. I'm the Director of Student Recruitment here at Patrick Henry College, and it's my honor to serve as the overseer for our summer Teen Leadership Camp program. Come see us for 4 weeks, 2 weeks in June, 2 weeks in July, for our week-long summer camps. The 4 pillars of PHC's Teen Leadership Camps are spiritual mentorship, academic growth, experiencing our college campus, and to have a whole lot of fun. In spiritual mentorship, our counselors, our team are here to serve you, the students and families, and to help you grow spiritually in the Lord, to be able to serve Him better and to disciple you in your journey. We also want you to grow in your academic skills. We're going to have academic instruction throughout the day, and detailed schedules can be found on our camp listing page for every camp to show you hour by hour what you'll be doing as a PHC teen camper. We also want you to experience what it's like to be on our college campus. We want you to experience our counselor team, made up completely of PHC students, so you can get to know what it's like to be in the student body here at PHC. And last but not least, we want you to have a whole lot of fun here at teen camps. We have games every afternoon and evening activities ranging from dodgeball tournaments to talent shows, ultimate frisbee, and volleyball. So come see us this summer. Sign up today. Our early bird special is through April 1st. Our prayer is that God will richly bless you as you reach high, grow deep, and influence the world for Christ.